on? It's your girl, JustT, coming at you guys with a recipe. I hope that everybody is doing awesome today and have had like a blessed day. I also thank you guys for stopping by to watch my video. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will sit back and watch my video. You know, just get comfortable, because I'm going to hook you up. I hope that you would like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Hope you hit that bell, you know, to check out when I'm cooking and uploading more videos, right? Okay, you guys. So today I wanted some smothered chicken with some onions and bell peppers. That's what I want for dinner. My husband actually wanted baked chicken, so yeah, I baked some chicken. But let's go ahead and get this going. So you're going to want to start out with some chicken, whatever. I have some chicken quarters that I actually cut up. And you want to start out with plain chicken. I'll show you guys. You guys will see that chicken in a minute because we're going to have to put in the flour and everything. I'm going to try to make this video a little quick. All right. And I'm also starting out with 1 cup of all-purpose white flour. I also have some bell peppers and some onions that I just sliced up. You're also going to need 1 bouillon cube, chicken bouillon cube. Seasonings, I have some paprika. I also have some seasoned salt. I have some onion powder. I have some minced garlic. I have some garlic powder as well. And I also have some black pepper. All right. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and get this flour seasoned up. So you want to start out with that 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And with the seasonings, I'm just going to put in 1 teaspoon of my seasonings. All right. Except for that seasoning salt. But everything else I'm going to do 1 teaspoon. A teaspoon of, that was my onion powder. And this too, we're going to wait for that garlic powder. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of that as well. Right in there. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Take 1 teaspoon. Come on, T. Come on. I had a long day, you guys. Oh my gosh, work was long. Crazy. Just felt like it was a never-ending work day, you know? You ever had those days, y'all? Black pepper. I need to get some more black pepper. I'm going to do a teaspoon of black pepper as well. Put that in there. Now, seasoned salt, I am going to do like a half of a teaspoon of seasoned salt. Because I don't really want a lot of seasoned salt in mine. Now, you can use the whole one if you want to. You know, your pressure might be fine. Your blood pressure might be better than mine. And we're just going to mix this up. Really need a fork or a whisk. So, yeah, you just want to mix all those seasonings up in there. Get those all incorporated. And you want to have a pan on your stove. And you want to put just a little bit of oil in there. I'm going to be using canola oil just to cover the bottom. You don't need a lot of oil in there, like you're gonna fry, like you're frying this chicken, because we're only gonna cook this chicken halfway. Just want to brown it, basically. Just want to get it brown. All right. So we're gonna move over to the next step, but let me just clean my area off a little bit, and I'll meet you guys right back here. Okay, guys. So we're back, and I just patted my chicken pieces dry. Now I'm only doing 3 pieces of chicken because this is just for myself. So if you need to, just you know, you can still add the same amount of flour and seasonings into the flour. Even if you had 8 pieces of chicken in here, it does not take a lot of flour to flour chicken with, because you're not flouring it like you would be if you're going to fry it. Okay, just to let you guys know. So what I'm going to do on here is, with my envelope of sazon, I'm just going to sprinkle this on to this chicken, and I'm going to put it into the flour mixture. So I was going to do that off camera, but just in case, you know, you guys might want to see it. Just gonna flip this over. I love sazon. Like, oh my gosh, that's like Frank's hot sauce to me, y'all. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this on here. So that was 1 envelope of that. And into our seasoned flour, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in. And you want to have your stove preheating, you know, with your oil in it. I have it on like a medium-high heat. So I'm just going to roll these around and dredge these into this flour. And then I'm going to meet you guys back at the stove when we're going to get to browning this chicken so we can get the smothering and covering it, okay? We'll be right back. I'll be back. I hope you be back too. Okay guys, so we're back and let me show you how much oil I have in here. It's probably about like a half of a cup of canola oil that I have in this pan. I actually just have enough in there just to cover the bottom of this pan. And I have my chicken pieces that I just floured. So we're just gonna take those right out and just put those in there. Because like I said, we don't want to cook them all the way. Just want to brown them, get a nice brown color on them. We gonna smother these. Let me get my other piece. Let me see if you guys can see this. So, putting flour on it. And also, the flour that's left in this bowl, like I tell you, don't throw it away yet. You know, hold on to it just in case you need to, you know, add it into the gravy to make it thicker. Because we're still going to be cooking it for a little while. So, even though you put your chicken in here to cook it, you can still use it. You can. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Because you're going to still be, you know, cooking the gravy. You're still going to cook it anyway. So, let's put that piece. I'm going to put that one skin down. And I'm going to let those go for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side. And then when I get ready to turn those over, I'll come back and show you guys, all right? Okay, guys, so it's been 5 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, but I wanted to just show you guys what they're looking like, getting nice and brown for us. Because like I said, we're just looking for a nice brown, you know, color. You just want to brown them. Don't want to cook them. Look at that chicken, y'all. That's going to be awesome. And so I'm going to continue to brown these on this side. And once that happens, then I will bring you guys back and we're going to move on to the next step. All right, we're going to move on. Okay, guys, so welcome back. And I let this chicken cook on this side for 5 minutes. And now I'm about to take it out the pan and just move it over to another one because we are going to be putting that back. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get those vegetables, those onions and bell peppers. And now I'm just going to put those right into the pan. And I'm working on a medium heat. My temperature is on a 5. So medium, yeah. I'm gonna let these cook. I'm gonna let these go because I like them nice and brown. I like them to have a little color. So I'm about to let these go for about good 5 minutes, I'll say. But I'll let you guys know when I come back. But I'm gonna let those go for a little while. Get a nice little color on them. Okay guys, so I'm back and they're almost done, but I did want to show you I'm adding in a little bit of margarine. Just want to add a little bit into here. And they've been going now for about 2 minutes now. Like I said, I'm working on a medium heat, so, you know, you can turn it up a little bit, but I'm actually also cooking other food, so I can't really watch this just, you know, on its own. But in a little while, I'm also going to add some of that minced garlic in here. You don't want to add your minced garlic in too soon because it will burn quick. It does not take long for garlic to burn. And it'll also get like a bitter taste to it. It won't be good for nobody. Trust me. Alright, so I'm going to let these finish going for about another 3 minutes. And we're going to come back and go ahead and get to making this gravy. Okay guys, so now I'm back and now we're going to add in some of that minced garlic. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Might be a little bit more because y'all know I love garlic. That was some minced garlic. Just going to give this a quick stir. Just going to let this go for like a minute. Okay guys, so we're back and it's been a minute now and I've let this go. And you know the flour that we had into that bowl still, I saved it. So I'm just going to take a little bit. And you know, you guys, I told you about like, you know, measuring your flour to your oil consistency. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit. That right there is about 2 tablespoons. And let me get my whisk. Let's see where I am. I just want to mix that up. I'm going to add a little bit more in there. So right now that's about 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm going to let this go for a little bit because I want it to get darker. Because right now, if we go in with our you know, our liquid, it's going to stay this color. So I'm just going to let this go till it darkens up a little bit. All right, guys. So welcome back, and it has darkened up. So we're going to go ahead and add in our liquid. All right. Now you don't have to cook yours until it gets dark, this dark. You can cook it, you know, until it's darker even much, whatever color you want your gravy to be. So we're going to start out with the liquid. And in here I have 1 cup of chicken broth that I made from some chicken that I had a couple days ago. So I'm going to go in with that. I'm going to just pour this in slow. You're going to actually need about 2 cups of liquid. All right, so if you don't have chicken broth, water is fine, because remember we're going to use that chicken bouillon cube. I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to go ahead and get another cup of water really quick. Add that 1 cup of water in here. Add it in slow. And then that chicken bouillon cube, and add that in. That's just the 1. And we're going to add our chicken back in. And right now I have my eye set on a 7. And you just want to I want to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to turn it down. And this gravy, you don't got to worry, because that gravy is going to thicken up. It's going to get a lot thicker as it cooks. But once this comes to a boil, and we're going to turn it down, and then we're going to cover it up with the lid. And we're going to just let it simmer for about a good hour. You want to stir it too, because if not, your gravy will start to get thick and it'll stick, you know, to one side or something. So you want to make sure you're stirring it up too. And also, some people too, my mom used to add a little bit of milk into her gravy. I don't like it, just because I don't drink milk. That's probably bad, y'all, but I don't drink milk. But I do cook with it, but I'm not putting it in my gravy. So I would say, you know, you could try that too. That's bad. I'm telling y'all to do something I ain't trying to do, huh? But see how that's thickening up? And we're gonna get ready to turn that down, and we're gonna let this go. Just wanna, oh. I'm gonna spin these around a little bit. Just wanna get some gravy all on those. And now I'm about to turn my eye down. About to put it on a 2, and I'm gonna just let it go for like an hour. And in between, I'm gonna just come in and just put some gravy on it, because you don't need your gravy to fully cover this chicken either. All right, guys, and we'll be back. I'll be back in a little bit. Show y'all what's going on. All right, guys, welcome back. So I let that smothered chicken cook down for an hour, and now we're about to go in because it's already done, y'all. And in between too, what I did was I went in and I just you know, stirred up the gravy. And too, there's a little bit of oil. You can always skim that little bit of oil off of there. But I just went in and just moved my chicken around a little bit, like so. But as you can see, it is thick. The gravy's thickened up. And before too, like I said, I will skim off some of the oil that's in there. You can just skim that right off, all right? But there you go, y'all. That's some smothered covered, Southern style chicken gravy with some onions and all that goodness all up in this pan. As always, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day, y'all. I am about to eat because she's hungry. Look at this chicken now. Let me show you guys. Let me show you like a close-up. I wonder if I can pick this up. Oh, MG. Look at that. Look at that. You can have this piece. Got a piece of onion hanging off of it, but you can have it. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that gravy is so good, y'all. I swear, you guys got to try this recipe. If you try it, please hit me up in my comments and let me know what you think, because I promise you, it is really good. I'm so not lying and playing with y'all. Trust me too. If I put a recipe out there, if it's on my channel, trust me, it's good. I'm not gonna just put anything out there and tell you guys to try it, because no, that's a bad look on myself. You feel me? So anything that I put out there, trust me, I know it's gonna be good. All right, you guys, y'all stay blessed. I'm out, y'all. It's just tea.